All right, so we are Project Group 3. This is our Assignment 2, Week 2 recap. Currently, only 3 of our members, Talon, Morgan, and Justin, are able to attend this week. Travis and Steve are having some extenuating circumstances and weren't able to be here.
As for this week's assignments, they consisted of further research and development regarding our code and our drone chassis. We also went ahead and completed section 2 of the design of a microcontroller-based system, which included 12 subsections that were equally divided among the team. We also went ahead to create a backlog for proper documentation. For key ideas of this assignment, it mainly focused microcontrollers, where we provided a detailed wiring diagram, and also programming, where we'll talk about our code.
So, as mentioned last week, our robot is for the 2022 IEEE UAS competition. The main objectives for that are the QR code for the final landing position, motion detection to avoid obstacles and complete other tasks. The team will be designing the quadcopter drone as shown in the picture to the right. So using a microcontroller, a specific microcontroller, we needed obviously some type of flight controller would be ideal, which we were able to find with the Diatone Mamba F722 there in the bottom.
And here's more of a semi-detailed layout of the Diatone Mamba's flight controller. This has got some key features, namely the camera, receiver, video transmitter, and then a little bit of a diagram of the back and the power supply requirements at the bottom. And for our programming language, we've chosen Python just based on the fact that Python is the most comfortable language for the majority of the group. And also it works really well with the OpenCV that we're planning to use and the libraries therein. Just the pre-built libraries allowing us to do the QR code scanning, the motion tracking are already there. We don't have to code it from absolutely nothing.
Lastly, for objectives and tasks for the next assignment, of course, we'll continue our code development and begin testing of our drone. We'll also be completing section 3 and section 4 of the report.
So that concludes this week's updates. And if there's any questions, you can reach out to Talon or Morgan, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys might have.